having fun? You like your pool? Here, Simba. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna get dizzy. You're gonna get dizzy. You having fun? I've got to turn off the water. Having fun? Are we playing in the pool? Won't be able to do that too much more. You're a nut. Ta-ta-da. What are you doing? You're knocking rocks all over the place, Hannah girl. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? She's all wet. Where'd you go? Hi. Woo. Thanks. Just what I wanted. You done? You gonna get some more water time? Huh? You done? You finished?